Hey guys, welcome back to Marika's Crafts and Happy Republic Day to everyone. So today I'm going to be making a tricolor pizza which will be representing our Indian tricolor flag, and this is to show respect to our country on this Republic Day and make this a special day. So now let's see the ingredients required. So for making this pizza, we first spread sauce on the base, sprinkle cheese all over it. Then we put capsicum on the bottom 1/3, tomatoes on the top 1/3, and in the middle we sprinkle some more cheese to make it look more white and add olives as the Ashok Chakra in the middle. Now the cheese will become brown after it is cooked, so I just added a little more which will melt due to the heat. Now let's look at the process video that I have made.